Mám tady středový ovladač od E-Drive, kdy mě nefungovaly spínání tlačítkem. V podstatě tady ze předu jsou dva spoje. Tady jsou dva spoje. Takže jsem vzal mikropájku a ty kontakty jsem prohřál a dal jsem tam cín. Teďka to jenom zapojím a vyzkouším, jestli to vůbec funguje. Už to mám vykuchaný takhle po opravě. Tak, máme zapojeno, rozsvítíme si to. Takže když mačkám, ťuk, ťuk, domů, ťuk, ťuk, domů. No, to spíná hezky. To předtím vůbec nereagovalo. Teď to chodí jak blázen. To je bomba. Jo, super. Tak jo, jde to tam namontovat.
Pistol, mine is chrome. Where'd I get this wrist full of shiny stones? By writing these live books, rhymes and poems. Swollen his back to reclaim the throne. Kingdom come, bass lines, and bring them drums. This is game time, play mine, we're number one. Kingdom come, bass lines, bring them drums. This is game time, play mine, we're number one.
I'm a jacked up motorhead, yup, sipping a soda pop. Trouble on my block, not a shock, we don't go to cops. We make house calls with shotguns and loaded glocks. Golden platinum plaques back to back, cause we sold a lot. Every day I come home with more than I left with. Writing raps, setting traps, getting cash on my expert. A battle axe attached to my necklace. Fuck around, it's a death wish. I'm building with my fam to perfect this. Especially fresh to death, that's what the click is. People say you're mad child, that white boy the sick is. Ridiculously particular, kicking up dust. Definitely the next blow, so shut the fuck up. Back to reclaim the throne, but brought some friends along. We got the Bentley, got the Benz, we got the engines on. Bitches in bikini, studio at the crib. I'm in the hot tub popping pills and eating ribs with a bib. I'm drinking Pepsi, watching Scarface in the theater.